Here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, standing in front of an absolute legend, the Grady-White 336 Canyon. This was specifically in that beautiful seaport blue, kind of a medium blue that has powered by twin Yamaha 425 XTOs. We're going to take a long walk through the boat today, look at all the features, talk about why the boat's so popular and a #1 seller. This boat for boats over 30 feet is actually in the top 5 models sold nationally. But let's take a better look at the boat and understand why it's a beast, why it's comfortable, and why it's the #1 selling offshore boat that we carry. Arguably the most compelling reason why this boat is so comfortable, so stable, a top seller, is the beam. Everybody knows these Grady-Whites have got them hips that don't lie, but a 33-footer with an 11.7 beam is astonishing. To put that in perspective, one of our top competitors that's built in Edgewater, Florida, has a 43-footer with quad 425s that's 11.2 wide. This 33 is bigger than most 35 and 36-foot center consoles, sits 3 wide with spacious Helm chairs that each have their own armrest, but it's got enough room to fish across the back and get comfortable. Whether we're cruising or we're riding offshore, these big 425s are going to get us there quickly, efficiently, with tons of torque, but we're going to be comfortable and stable once we're offshore with that big, wide Grady-White beam. This boat specifically has standard starboard live well. The port side has been upgraded from a cooler to an additional live well, so we could fish both sides of the boat, not touch each other and fish the corners, have the captain at the helm. This one does have diesel generator with air conditioning, and you can have a refrigerated aft fish box. Everything on a Grady-White is above the floor level or above sea level, so we don't have a gulper pump or a macerator pump to fail. It's simple and it works. It's gravity fed. If we're fishing snapper season here in the winter months, we can push them redfish scales right through that drain and just keep fishing and enjoying the boat. Come through that transom walk through and we work our way up to the console. We'll take a closer look at what options the boats have got before we work our way through the cabin and up forward on the bow. So we step into the roomy cockpit. We can see that we've got a center sportfish style helm, captain to the center, passengers either side, but you've got those super comfortable, slide adjustable with pop-up bolster helm seats. We've got joystick piloting in the new Yamaha Helm Master EX system. It's fly-by-wire throttle, and it is that new joystick, the EX style, that's going to have all 3 modes between drift point, stay point, and fish point here at the helm. We've got the joystick feature on, as well as 5 modes from a low mode all the way up to a high mode, depending on conditions or what we're trying to accomplish. Something to hit on these is not only are they simple to use and hold you over the spot, but they've got autopilot, course holding, heading hold, and even track point integrated there at the helm. I don't know if you can see that there. You got a peak there at the air conditioning vents. It is a center console, kind of like having the air conditioning on your convertible, but on a real hot day and here in the summer heat, and it's 104 degrees, to be able to put that shirt over with my belly pumping full of cold air feels really, really good, and it's really, really nice. Plenty of room up here at the dash to fit twin 16-inch screens. If we relocated the Yamaha gauge, we could probably fit trips, but pretty traditional to center up a 16-inch screen and put another one over here to run our chart, sonar, radar, autopilot, FLIR, etc. 336 has been updated to the full glass helm. That is glass, and it goes full length. We've got a power vent up front, matching seaport blue on the underside of the hardtop. That's just a nice little feature. Looks sexy, looks nice with the overhead glove box. We work our way down to the helm, and we'll be able to get a look at a 33-foot center console with that big, almost 12-foot beam. We've got enough room down below to take advantage of that air conditioning and have a small berth, little kitchenette and settee area to get out of the elements and take a break, or put the grandkids down there to extend the day. Let's take a closer look. So as we sit down in the cabin below, we've got a rod storage, huge access. That is not where the kids sleep. That's actually where the Seakeeper would go if optioned. Or plenty of storage, whether you want to put your Coast Guard kit, life jacket, safety equipment, food, extra tackle, whatever you think you may need could fit under there. We see that beautiful teak and holly floor. We work our way forward past the sink that could actually double as a shower to set up there, to a berth. Whether we want to take a quick nap or stay overnight for a short weekend, we've got enough storage side by side, but enough room to sleep two adults comfortably. It actually is a ratcheting backrest there. That middle piece would kick up so we could come down here and let the kids play iPad or take a break from the day and have room to come down in here and get out of the elements. Nice space for a 33-foot center console. Really compares to a lot of our 36 and 37s that we sell up against, but plenty of room to come down here and get out of the elements. We'll work our way up to the social zone up front, take a good look. So as we come up to the bow of the boat, we see a real social zone where spouse, kids, people could ride comfortably. These are swingable backrests that could kick in and turn into a much larger bolster if we're fishing against it. But if I want to sit up here and lounge out, we've got insulated fish boxes either side. Most people are going to fill up the fish box in the back with fish, maybe use the starboard side as a backup fish box, and dedicate one side, say the port side, to a drink cooler or whatever we're trying to bring for cocktails. But we've got plenty of seating up here to keep mama happy and the kids cruising, daddy fishing out back. We've got access to the windlass controls. We've got backup freshwater and raw water pickups up front and in the rear. But as you can see, the 33 Grady has no shortness of space, no shortness of features, and it's great for family, it's great for fishing, it's great for cruising, it's great to go to dinner. It really hits all those points. It's something a lot of people are learning, that I don't necessarily want a huge cabin boat and eliminate all that front seating. I want to do it all. I want a day boat. I want a boat that I can tourney fish. I want a boat that I could cruise and suntan on. And the 336 Canyon does just that. I appreciate you sitting the walkthrough with me. I appreciate your time. If you like our videos and our walkthroughs, check us out at MarineMax.com and on our YouTube channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and engage in the content, and you'll see a couple videos uploaded every couple days. Once again, my name's Caleb Peevler. It's MarineMax Panama City Beach, and this is the Grady-White 336 Canyon.